Hey everyone, just a short video this week, but I'm honored and privileged to be the first to announce the very latest in overland campfire gear, the SW5000 from Smallwood Industries. Pioneering new frontiers in materials reduction, Smallwood Industries is challenging the notion that a massive stack of large firewood is necessary for an effective campfire experience. The SW5000 preserves the quintessential backcountry tradition of gathering and processing fuel for the evening, while greatly reducing the impact on our forest resources. This cutting-edge campfire technology is designed for maximum efficiency, generating a whopping 4 to 6 BTUs, enough to keep the fingertips of one person warm and comfortable for 10 to 15 minutes. While admittedly not suitable for 2 or more people, chances are, if you're working with Smallwood, you're probably by yourself anyway. The compact and efficient SW5000 from Smallwood Industries, because it's not the size of your campfire that matters, it's what you do with it.